Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing three methods to open Google Play Store, then search and install apps and games. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings, select the settings icon, go to apps, select see all apps, go down and select show system apps. Under system apps we have to find Google Play Store. Go down, there we would be able to see Google Play Store, select it, then select open. So this is the Google Play Store. Here on top we can see apps tab, then games tab. We also get this search field, so here we can search for apps and games. From here we can search for apps and games in Google Play Store, then we can install it. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to home screen, then go to apps tab. Under apps tab, here we can see the search field. Here we can search for apps and games. When we search here, it would search in the Google Play Store. From there we can install apps and games. Here we also get this app category. We can select the category. From there we can select app, then we can install. So this is the method 2. Let me go to method 3. We can use this global search. In this global search field, we can search for apps, games, shows, movies, everything. When we search something here, it would search in Google Play Store as well. So that way we can install apps and games from Google Play Store. So this is the method 3. So these are the three methods. So please check it.